Okay, I forgot. In today's video, shit yaar. Hi you guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's gonna be a very quick and a very useful video. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and before beginning the video, let's just get done with that, okay? Subscribe to my channel, like the video yaar. Kitne baar bolna padega, okay? I'm doing a lot of hard work, you guys, and you're gonna see the behind the scenes in the vlog. But yeah, currently let's just, get started with the video. Alright, you guys, today's video is basically a get ready with me. Not exactly a get ready with me, it's how to look presentable using the least amount of products, like the most minimal ittusa product. Like I'm just using 5 products, like just 5 products, and that's what you need to look presentable, okay you guys? See, I don't count moisturizer as a makeup product, so my skin is already moisturized, so I moisturized my skin before the video. So please do not skip moisturizer, because if you apply a thick amount of it, you don't actually need primer. It doubles up as primer if you have like a thick moisturizer. So yeah, let's begin. Like the first makeup product that I'm gonna use is a concealer, and a concealer is like it's like a savior, okay, with the Gen Z problems that we are having, not sleeping, watching Netflix the entire night. Will definitely give you these beautiful dark circles, but you gotta hide it, and you have to hide your under eye bags. For concealer, I am going to be using the L.A Girl Pro Conceal. This is a very affordable concealer, you guys, and it's very easily available. Plus it has a huge shade range, so everyone can find their shade range in it, so yeah, I'm just using this. Although the applicator of this sucks. It is so horrendous. It's disgusting, okay? The applicator is not at all good. Also, I'm gonna leave a link to some of the good alternative drugstore products, like concealers and alternatives to all these products. In case you don't want to use this, there's always an alternative in the market. Also, the brush that I'm using is a very random brush, so you don't ask me what brand this brush is of and where did you get. It's just a random brush that I got from Flipkart for face painting purposes, but I really like it, so I just end up using it as a concealer brush. Okay, so I'm done blending the concealer. I'm just gonna take the blender and run it all over my face. Next, before using any kind of powder, I want to use a little bit of blush. Blush just makes you look really nice. It makes you look as if you put an effort, but actually you haven't, okay? So for blush, nowadays in the market, lip and cheek tints are in much demand. So I thought, why not use one? And this lip and cheek tint that I'm gonna be using, it's not a very famous brand, but I quite like this product. The product is Chariot New York Vegan Blush Lip and Cheek Tint. Again, gonna leave a link to this product down below. I really like this product, and as this is a lip and cheek tint, you can use it on your lips as well as on your cheek. And this is not exactly a makeup product, so it nourishes your skin while making you look gorgeous and making your skin look supremely healthy. Do not apply your blush over here, because that will kind of bring down your face. We want our face to look a little more lifted, because we aren't contouring or bronzing or any of that, right? So it's all the blush that will kind of change the shape of your face. So yeah, so I'm just taking this brush and again blending everything. I like to blend things with a brush first and then use the blender over it, because I feel blender absorbs a lot of product, which leads to wastage. There are specific formulas, like products that work really well with blenders, but And blenders do give you a nice HD and airbrushed finish, but still I like going in with a brush first because it's much more hygienic, and then a blender. Okay, now I'm gonna use something that every Indian girl uses, and this is Kajal, you guys. Like, everyone uses, it's like a must have in everyone's kit. Kajal actually depends, I think so you all should invest into a good kajal. I'm gonna link some of the good kajals available down below in the description box, so make sure you check it out. But today I'm gonna be using the Lakme Iconic Kajal. This however, I would say is not the most long lasting kajal, so make sure if you have watery eyes, I don't think so this is the right product for you. So I'm just using it. Like, I have some kajal from before. I used it earlier in the day and it hasn't actually come off, so yeah, I'm just gonna apply a little more over it. I feel doing your eyelashes can make you look much more awake, and it can you know, make your eyes look much more bigger and wider and much more prettier. So that's why I feel curling your lashes before using a mascara is super duper important, and I'm just gonna do that. Just make sure you don't hurt yourself. Okay, it's just a normal lash curler that I'm using. I got this from Shein, you guys. For mascara, I am using this great mascara by Mars. This is the Mars False Lash Mascara, and it's really nice, you guys. Like, if you have big eyes, like, the wand of this is very thick and it's really nice, and it gives you this beautiful curling effect. Plus I guess it's waterproof only, and so freaking cheap, you guys. What more do you want? So yeah, and it's really good quality. All the one drawback is that iska wand na bahut zyada bada hai, right? So like, it has a very thick wand, as you can see. So that if you have very small eyes, that can cause problem. It's like bahut zyada thick hai, so you know, if people who have small eyes, they might suffer. Do you see how much of a difference it makes? Just look at this eye and this eye. And also, it's not clumping up, you know, like a lot of mascaras, they clump up, but this is actually separating your lashes, which is a very good thing. Now there's a lot of product left over. Like, I'm gonna make sure to do a few more coats with just this thing. Do not put that again. Yeah, just do not dip again, and I'll tell you the reason why. You can use this same mascara to do your eyebrows. How cool is that? So yeah, with all, like, there's little left over, right? So just take this and brush it over your eyebrows, and there you go. You have natural looking eyebrows which don't even take much time, and they're not overdone or underdone. It's just nice and you look presentable. So like, here there's like a clump I can remove with my finger, but isn't it super easy? Like, you don't need to invest in an eyebrow pencil or an eyebrow mascara separately. Your normal mascara will just do the job. And then, because it's waterproof, it's also gonna stay in place all day. So it's like a win-win situation, okay? Okay, now I'm just gonna powder my face. Taking the same brush. See, I'm not using a lot of tools also, okay? Like this, I have hit pan on this powder. That's how much I love it. It's a very, very well loved product, and the powder that I'm using is the K Beauty Matte Compact, and it's in the shade 160 White Tan. Okay, so do you see this? Now it just looks so much more natural. And for the final step, for the second last step, I am again going to be using the same lip and cheek tint that I used, and I'm gonna apply it as a lip balm. So this not only moisturizes my chapped lips, but also it looks pretty and it makes me look good and presentable. It just looks so natural. It's like a very nice no makeup look, you guys, and I honestly am in love with this. Now the last step is optional. It's setting spray. You've already set your makeup with powder, but if you want to go one more step ahead, mesh everything in place, then you can use the setting spray. Today I'm just gonna show you a setting, like, you know, the effect of the setting spray. This is how my face looks without the setting spray, but I'm just gonna show you, right? Show you how it looks with the setting spray. By the way, guys, the setting spray that I'm using is the Revolution Glow Fix Illuminating Fixing Spray. This is slightly on the pricier side, but it's worth every penny, okay? Just take my word, it's worth every penny. It's really good. It's really good. It meshes all your makeup in place and makes it last for like all day long. Alright, you guys, that was it for this video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please do make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And I'll see you tomorrow with series. Till then, bye guys.